Hi, I'm Christian, and I mean we haven't had a video in a little while, so I thought just make a cooking vlog, make some food to eat, because I'm hungry, my head hurts, I want some food, and I can't make a full episode right now because I don't have the time, but I should make a little vlog. I don't know what to call this. Comment down below if you have a name idea for these, because I might do a few more of these. You never know. But today we're going to be cooking some marshmallow mayonnaise burritos. It's just a nice breakfast food I like to eat sometimes. If you follow my Instagram, you may have seen it on there. If you don't, link down below, name, you can go follow it. Help support us. You get your tortillas, you get your rainbow marshmallows, you get your Danimals. This one's orange cream, pretty good. And then, of course, your mayonnaise. Who doesn't love mayonnaise? We love mayonnaise here. Get your tortilla, place it down, nice and flat. And then, of course, open mayonnaise up. Just like that. Just pour that on there. Like so. Open the marshmallows up. Put them on top. Tasty. Tasty. What are you looking at? Get out of here. Sit. Every time with these guys, I swear. Sit. Then you just want to take your Danimal. Pour this on top. Ooh, yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, and then add a little more mayonnaise if you're feeling adventurous. There's never enough mayonnaise. You'll come to learn that. Never enough mayonnaise. Never, ever. So, here is our mayonnaise marshmallow burrito. Now, I'm extremely hungry. I'm just going to go enjoy my snack. You guys make this and snacks. Like I said, comment down below a name for this. Christian vlogs or whatever. I'll catch you on the flip side.